How to set automatic call answer on Android phone. First, open the Phone app on your device. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, find and tap Answering and Ending Calls. Here you'll see an option called Auto Answer Calls, or Answer Automatically. Turn this option on. After enabling it, tap on the option again to customize it. You can select how long the phone should wait before answering an incoming call. For example, you can choose 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or set a custom delay according to your preference. Keep in mind that on many Android phones, the auto answer feature only works when your device is connected to a headset or Bluetooth device, so make sure one is connected. If you can't find the option inside the Phone app, open your mobile settings first. At the top of the settings page, tap the search bar and type Auto Answer or Call Settings. After searching, if the option appears in the results, tap on it and open it. Then enable the auto answer feature from there. If the option still doesn't appear, go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you find Accessibility. Tap on it, then look for Interaction and Dexterity and open it. After that, tap on Answering and Ending Calls. Here you may see the Auto Answer Calls option. Open it and turn the toggle on to enable automatic call answering. That's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.